Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses.
Think about it from a project management point of view. Before you make a decision, are you really just going to jump in and just put a sticky plaster over the problem? Or are you going to explore it further because there's a piece of the puzzle that's still missing?
What's caused it to get?
We call this probable cause. Probable cause. Why probable cause? At this stage anyway.
Because you're still investigating.
You're still investigating. If it's only probable, how is that possibly useful information? Play devil's advocate. Why even go to this step?
Because it does narrow things down a lot, doesn't it? If it's probable, you're more likely to be...
Or prevention for the future.
Focuses you...
Prevention for the future.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say again?
Prevention for the future.
Prevention for the future. Abstinence of a particular unhelpful or destructive behaviour. Okay, the reason why we've got this problem in the system is because the team have been applying this particular strategy or using the software in the wrong way. If they stop doing that, it's like, and it may not make the problem may not have been caused by that, but by the process of elimination, we can at least come to the conclusion that possibly that was the cause. May not have been. Okay?
Yeah.
So do you recognise it's an important step and a neglected step when solving a problem? Think about it, all right? You ignore the step of probable cause and now launch into the treatment.
It's wrong.
Not necessarily wrong, but it happens again. The person contracts cancer again. The same problem in the system, in the software happens again. The same bugs find their way into the system again. The same viruses are found on the server again. Yes, the same conflict occurs again between Jill and June. There's something that's triggered it. And if we can eliminate those probable triggers, we then what?
Prevent it happening again.
Probably,
yeah.
prevent it from happening again. Got it. Now we can launch into treatment.
Yay.
And medical staff would refer to this as what?
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.